The CuroCell AREA Zone is a self-adjusting, non-powered, full replacement mattress system. This mattress stands at 18 centimeters tall and is recommended for users up to 230 kilograms. It is effective in aiding the treatment and prevention of pressure injuries up to and including stage 3. It is recommended for users who can self-reposition or be repositioned by someone else. The AREA Zone mattress is designed to be simple to use and handle, making it an effective choice for healthcare settings of all kinds. This durable mattress combines foam with air for optimal pressure redistribution. The mattress is uniquely designed to minimize shear forces. The cancellation of the top foam layer promotes immersion and envelopment. The second layer consists of 9 air cells divided into zones, which support the user's pressure care needs without requiring any electricity or manual adjustment. As such, only minimal maintenance is required. In addition, this mattress features reinforced sides, which improve stability for stand pivot or slide board transfers. The AREA Zone mattress also features a built-in heel slope, reducing pressure in high-risk heel regions for additional comfort and support. Enjoy the convenience of the 4-way stretch hygienic cover. With welded seams and sturdy zip shields, the CuroCell AREA Zone meets the highest hygiene, quality, and safety standards. The liquid-proof and vapor-permeable cover optimizes infection control and microclimate, creating a clean, comfortable environment for a restful sleep. Plus, the covers are tumble dryable and machine washable up to 95 degrees Celsius. For comfort, support, and peace of mind, sleep soundly with the CuroCell AREA Zone.